Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a petanque. So I'm fully recovered from yesterday's shooters video. If you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out here. This particular cocktail I found on cocktailcollective.com.au. Make sure you check it out. Tiff writes some epic articles, a lot of content, a lot of recipes on there. So I'll link to that in the description below so you can go have a look. This particular cocktail is a Fino Sherry, so a dry sherry cocktail with Amaretto. A relatively low ABV cocktail, and because of that, when I do stir it, I'm only going to stir it for 20-30 seconds rather than 30 to 40. We've got the winner of the Marionette competition. Congratulations to JD Bastion. I'll be sending you an email. I really do hope that you're in Australia, because otherwise, if you're not, unfortunately I can't send it to you. So I'll grab your address off you shortly. And for everyone else, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell button so you can stay in the loop for upcoming giveaways. Okay, enough waffling from me. Let's get started on making this drink. So Fino Sherry, otherwise another dry sherry if you've got it handy. And we're going to measure out 75 ml, or what was that, 2¼ ounce, 2½ ounce. Jesus, how's my maths? A little bit heavy-handed there. Follow it up with the Amaretto. This may look a little bit different to what I usually use. I've usually got Disaronno on the bar, but thanks to the team from White Possum for sending me this bottle. So 30 ml, 1 ounce. For anyone in Australia, link in the description for the White Possum Amaretto. This is absolutely delicious. It's called Naked Amaretto. There's no added preservatives, and it's got wild strawberry gum, which is a native Australian ingredient. Awesome liqueur. And they do a whole bunch of gin tasting flights, whiskey tasting flights, and a whole bunch of different other products that are really, really cool. So make sure you check out the website. Then we're going to do 2 dashes of Peychaud's bitters before filling the mixing glass with ice and then stirring. As I said, stirring for a little bit less, so I'm going to give it about 20 seconds. So it's going to be a low ABV cocktail, but then it's going to have a little dash of absinthe on top, so it's going to give a hint of a anise flavour to it. Even that I'm happy with. That Peychaud's gives it this really nice kind of rosé looking colour, almost. Yeah, I'll do this first. And then we've got absinthe, so I've got an atomizer. I'm going to spray it over the top. Otherwise, if you've got a dasher bottle, just put a little dash on. I missed half the glass, half went on the bar, but... And for a garnish, a maraschino cherry. So there you have the petanque. Cheers. You get that absinthe on the nose, obviously it's sitting right on top, but it's a beautiful aromatic. It looks really nice, this drink. Subtle almond flavour from the almonds, from the Amaretto, sorry, but the Fino Sherry is very dominant. So if you do like sherry, then this will be a drink for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.